Operation Stormwatch on WBAP. Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton live in the WBAP Weather Center at 517. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Kaufman and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kaufman County and for Ellis County until 6:15. A severe thunderstorm is located east of Midlothian, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
It's not even located in there.
Hail to the size of ping pong balls. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for Ellis County and northeastern Kaufman County. 6:15. There are two severe thunderstorm cells. One east of Midlothian, the other near Terrell. Both moving east by southeast at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the proceeding.